Hi, this is Colin from Mailshake, and today we are going to be talking about conversion tracking. Mailshake has some JavaScript called mailshake.js, and it's basically just a script you can put on your website, your blog, or really anywhere you can place HTML. And when your recipients click on the links in your sent campaign emails, they can be turned into leads and even marked as won or lost. So first we're going to walk through how we do this. On the conversion tracking site, you're going to see some very basic options. On the simplest thing you can do is put the script on your page, and when someone lands there, they can become a lead. That's just the default behavior. You can say, if they land on this page, I want to consider them a won lead. So you might want to put this on a thank you for donating page, for instance. We'll leave this as the default and copy our script. And we're going to put this on our website. It's just a sample HTML page. So we'll save this, and then we'll set up our campaign. This is just going to be a test campaign that has a link to our website, which is hosting the mailshake.js script that we just went over. We're going to go ahead and send this campaign. There we go. And now we will wait until that email gets sent. Okay, our email has been sent, so let's check on it. And we see for the history of this recipient, they've been sent the email. So now we'll go into our Gmail sent account and check out that email that was sent out. So when the recipient clicks on this link, they're going to be taken to our website that has the conversion tracking installed, and they'll be turned into a lead. Okay, so let's check on our recipient record again. We'll refresh here. And we see that the recipient is now a lead, so it's something we can follow up on. On the sample page that we've created, we have a couple different ways that you might use mailshake.js for conversion tracking. So they've come to this page, they've been created as a lead in Mailshake, and perhaps you want to say, if they play a video on your site, maybe you consider them a won lead, or maybe if they make a donation, that makes them a won lead. So we have a button here called Play Video, and it's hooked into our conversion tracking, which I'll show you in a second. And this is just a fake page, but we'll pretend that they played a video on your site. Now, if we flip back over to Mailshake, we can refresh this contact again, and we see they are a won lead now. And they have this annotation, watched video, which is really nice. So you can do a lot of different things here. You can track a thank you page that might mark someone as a lead that's won. You might have them go through multiple pages on your site, eventually leading to a thank you page, and that would work fine as well. You can have some buttons consider the lead as won, and some, like an unsubscribe button, consider them as lost. And to show you how to exactly do that, we'll flip back over to the conversion tracking link in the menu. And if you click on the Actions tab, there's a few more options you can use on your site. One is on any link or button or really any element on your site, if you add the MS track class to that element, then it will become tracked. And the default action can be whatever you want. By default, it's a won action. So someone comes in and they click on one of your tracked links, you'll consider that a won lead. If you want some links or buttons to do something and others to do something else, you can add the data MS status attribute to your element and specify either open, ignored, won, or lost as the lead status. And then furthermore, if you want to categorize the lead win, you can say watched video, made donation, with data MS annotation. That's just an attribute you add to the HTML of your button or link, and it will leave that information for you in Mailshake. And then if you want to get really advanced, you can use our JavaScript object itself, but I won't go into that in this video. And the last thing I did want to say is we've created a really nice way for you to be able to test this. So that page that you saw earlier is a page that you can use in your own Mailshake campaign as a test. So it's a publicly available site, it's got Mailshake.js installed on it. So you simply just have to send a campaign that has a link that goes out to that site. When you can do the test that I just ran here, and you can watch your recipient history reflect those changes, that conversion. So I hope that's been very helpful, and thanks again for using Mailshake.